Get in, get in.
I gotta heal myself.
I need healing too. Shit.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, everyone in, everyone in.
Wait, as you say that, you shoot.
You can load this thing in a HeMMT.
Alright,
box.
go.
Oh
Go to
my.
HQ. Go to HQ, and we're gonna all jump. You're gonna unload us, and we're all gonna jump out and slaughter the cops.
Is the driver? Is the driver got a bounty?
Yeah. This is the fucking...
Listen, do not exit the off-road inside the HeMMT.
Let him pull you out
flying
of the
in
car
the
and
air
then we'll
while
all get
blow
pulled
up.
down with you.
This is like the definition of a Trojan horse with the fucking brakes thing.
Yeah.
You should let him down you and then get pulled out of the car.
No, then we can't unload you guys, then you're fucked.
Then he can't unload you.
We can get out ourselves, can't we?
Yeah, you can.
No,
But
don't
it doesn't
hop
look as
out.
cool.
Don't hop out.
And one time I got teleported all the way from bed all the way to...
Yeah, he's
Like,
got to unload
the
the
middle of the
flatbed, because if
wheat
we
field
get
or
out,
something.
we can't fly up.
Oh
and
shit,
then
kill this guy doing minerals. I don't want
Let
that
him
money.
go.
Is that a cop?
Medic.
So yeah, medic. It's gonna go revive that guy you killed.
Cash money.
Okay.
Alright, get the text messages ready. You want them
To
shoot
do
at
what?
What are we sending?
Okay, no, just drive until they shoot, and then like go around a corner, and then unload us, and then we'll all hop out.
That's a cop.
It's cop.
That's Remy. Oh,
He's undercover with a backpack, or is that a drone?
It's a drone.
Is it Rami?
I said help,
I think
my
it's
HeMMT's
Rami.
being stolen and
It's Rami.
and I'm being kidnapped.
Hello. Alright, let's go.
APD, can I accept out of the vehicle now?
Put your hands up, Rami, now!
Fuck you!
Oh, he dropped the shit!
You drop his shit?
No, it is.
He did for a second and it bugged out. Damn it.
Oh my
car,
god!
car.
It said
car.
2 people killed him. It said
No,
2
he
people
got
killed
downed
him.
once.
You got
Oh,
down.
he got down by
Down.
Oh, I feel
Yeah,
bad he got
downed.
downed after he died.
Don't do that.
Oh damn, he's going to Debug Island.
Very good.
I can always spot Chris in a vehicle. Every time.
Why? Cause I'm motherfucking old?
This is too funny.
He must know what the fuck.
Dude, he shit like that,
That was hilarious.
Yo, watch the crossfire next time, yo. You guys almost killed each other.
Hey, someone has painkillers.
It kind of sucks that civilians can't use the drone terminal, so if you actually did get it legitly, you would want to be able to use it.
Hey, for cartels.
Oh, I
that-
downed him after he died, so he's gonna have a minute before he can spawn.
You don't do that intentionally.
No, I didn't.
painkillers.
Ah, look at all the civilians running about.
Just a lonely little HeMMT. Don't mind it.
Cop, there he is.
Is that Rami?
Keep going, don't stop, keep going, don't drop us off here. Go into the HQ.
Another cop.
Three of them.
Shot.
Into the HQ and around. Put us underneath the thing.
What is cop?
Lost a tire.
Underneath the shed thing.
Oh, this is a cop.
Alright, here they go.
Unload.
Unload!
Unloading.
Hey, Peter, let's see your
I got killed. Mr. Great killed me.
Fucker revived me. You killed me with that.
Oh, my
You
god.
revived me too, man.
I'm right on top. You're right on top of me.
Yeah, let's go.
That's me.
Whoever that
That's
was with
Snatch.
the Raheem, you're right on top of me.
Who's this?
That's Snatch.
Medic is going to revive. Watch out. Kill the medic. He's all the way in fucking
Whoever's looking at
north.
me,
There's no way.
Hold on.
Will.
Ah, shit. I wanna take my stuff.
Someone keep an eye on the spawn.
Someone repair the HeMMT as well for me.
Holy shit.
Oh, it's you.
They can't spawn here. They were way too close to HU.
Now the one who was
Repair the
outside.
helmet.
came.
Repair the helmet. Repair the helmet.
One of them was outside.
Oh, you lost the gun.
I'm repairing.
You
I
got
lost
it?
my
You got
gun,
it?
Too.
So
Never mind, you got
bad.
it.
Fucker.
I got it.
You lost your gun? Oh shit, that sucks, dude.
And my leg's broken.
Well, that's some 3 kills for me.
Yeah.
The bounty's racking up, Venom.
I
got my gun holster. Medic, medic, come here. Medic, come here.
Yes.
I don't have a gun.
Get the fuck out of here, Jay.
Medic.
Get the fuck out of here. It's your last warning.
What the fuck?
Come on, get the fuck out of here.
Alright, take back.
Over here and heal. Let's go. Back in the car. Back in the car.
Well,
back in the car.
let's get defibs and stuff. I don't know.
Cool. Time to videotape this.
Let's go.
I gotta get my leg.
No, just get it.
I'm gonna get you a scar, Tyrone.
Nah, the medic shot.
Why are you doing this, guys? Why are you doing this? May I interview?
Whoever's going to the medic station.
Yeah,
Put us
fine,
in.
I'm
Put us in.
gonna
Put us
get-
in. Put us in. Alright,
Alright,
John.
One guy standing out.
Somebody's standing up.
Oh shit.
I think you can actually shoot, bro.
Tyler's
Thanks.
popping the.
Yeah, I can shoot.
Take him one thing in the head.
Watch this dude on the gate.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going back.
I got unloaded down, man.
Isn't there a middle seat?
No.
It's only box truck.
Chris, what's your bounty at right now?
It's like 700k. Yeah.
Shit, wreck that shit up.
Oh,
I will,
shit.
dude.
You can turn me
I
in.
have
Oh, I get
That's
four.
awesome.
Almost at 4.
You can fucking shoot standing up. Holy shit.
I'll probably get treated if I this today.
That's so good.
And
Someone else
We need it, Tyrone? Yeah, I got you, man.
Is that someone getting arrested?
Yeah, it is. It is. We should go shoot him.
My bounty.
He's on the right.
What the
He's one.
fuck?
Oh
What
shit!
the hell?
Oh shit.
Oh, who
The
got
HeMMT
out?
just
The
despawned.
HeMMT
What the
just
fuck?
despawned.
What the fuck?
We were in the car.
Oh, you know why? It's because, okay, after
ours.
restart, nobody gets keys, and then if it's, even if it's
Leave it
touched or
drying
whatever,
and
it still thinks that the server, like, it doesn't
Well, no, if
exist,
it's
so,
originally
you know.
yours, you're fine.
Alright, back in. Everyone back in. Everyone get back in.
That was scary as shit.
I gotta get healed. I thought I accidentally got out.
Yeah, I thought the same happened to me. I was like, what?
Yeah, same. God, dude, they need to fucking fix this chop shop shit. It's just ridiculous. It's been broken this long.
In the helmet, not in the inventory.
I wasn't trying to. It just went away. The option.
We might have been close enough to where he could have stored it too.
Yeah.
I doubt
We
it.
weren't close enough for them to store it.
There's no way.
It kind of
120 meters or so.
Let's
Yo,
do
come back
prison
here,
break. Let's
motherfucker.
just do prison break.
Nah, we're gonna go
Everybody
do
out.
meth. Go do meth, I guess.
I'll start
Can't
grabbing.
do football. What do you mean?
Who's? No, what the fuck? How do you stand up?
You have to press X and the spacebar at the same time.
That just makes you a huge fucking target.
How did he do?
X and spacebar at the same time.
Then I jump out.
When you get in.
When you get in.
Oh.
Yeah, can I just blow my helmet here? I thought I was gonna fuck with this.
Just do meth.
Nah, I'm
And,
playing out here. Whoa, don't.
You can shoot their tires, you don't get in trouble for it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
dome the tires, man.
take the risk, though.
We were like 300 meters away from drug dealer though.
The drug dealer doesn't matter. Drug dealer's the
Drug
building.
dealer's 10 meters. You have to be
It
God,
is.
who's
literally
gonna-
at the guy.
It's like 30 meters.
I thought it was 300 meters from the red side. You can kill that.
No,
Is
not
that the
drug
cop
dealer.
whistling people?
Yeah.
Is he lethal?
Oh, there's
the
5
hell?
cops on by the
Yeah.
way.
There's how many on?
We're doing a
Five.
fet.
Alright,
Alright,
let's
go
do
to
it.
Go to Fed then, and I'll just.
Yeah,
relog
turn
your
around
weapon.
then.
You can just go to
I don't
truck.
have any drills.
Yeah, just
How many
play
drills?
your
Pick up.
Yeah, I got
shit.
a drill.
I have a drop.
You got drills? Alright,
We got
let's
the
go.
drills.
I've got
When
all
we get
my
to Fed, I got.
Who needs a
Eclipse and
DP?
shit. Oh man, Venom, this is how the bounty racks up, dude.
Wait.
And-
Drop me off at marijuana dispensary, and I'll just zip tie all the cops that come up here.
Någon måste ha defib.
Yeah, just drop me off with Venom, and I'll relog and go get a gun out of my crate.
Don't blow this flatbed up.
Please, man. Only crash helicopters.
Mayhem's orcas.
Shut the fuck up. That was not my fault.
Yes, it was.
Whose fault was that then?
I have
No, you're
defib
talking about
already,
that.
don't know.
Yeah, I don't need one.
Who's got extra MK18 max?
I got the transport. Let's go.
Where's
did-
the
why-
Samek?
Who's this
He's
guy?
going out the hammer box.
Kyle.
Tell him to move that shit. Don't fucking kill him, just tell him to move it.
Oh, he's fucking
Oh
out of.
god. Are we,
Motherfucker.
are we just going into
out.
front? Yeah, we're good.
Who's
Wait,
got
Venom, where are we
who's
going?
got-
Venom,
who's
where are we
got
going?
extra MK18 max? Anybody?
Marijuana dispensary.
Oh god, crap.
Someone's getting engaged. Snatch was killed.
Snatch got killed.
Why did he kill you?
Snatch isn't wanted, I don't think.
Not towards this location.
I'll go defib him.
I got him. I
Instead.
got him.
Good job, Rank.
Where you at, Snatch? Check location somewhere.
Actually, I
Match.
only have 12 mags. This is gonna be kind of tough.
Yeah,
Snatchy
same.
poo.